go, man. It's running at 1200 RPMs. I keep saying I have a problem with Melco cutting, and look at this. Look how this thing cut. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh my goodness. You can't even tell it cutting. Look at that. That is amazing. That's fast. It's a sea of thread, but you can't even tell there's thread on it. Oh man, this machine's actually pretty good. The ZSK. It's a German built machine. This thing is awesome. I really like this. That's the finished product right here. Look at that thing. That's gorgeous. So like I said, Melco's not the only machine to buy. You gotta buy the one that's right for you.
Step up your A game, or you'll be ashamed.